Today, we take you to a busy road construction site where the powerful Hitachi EX870 Excavator is working non-stop. This giant machine is digging and loading soil and rocks into heavy dump trucks, helping to prepare the foundation for a strong and lasting road. Road construction is one of the most important parts of development because it connects people, cities, and opportunities. Watching such massive machines in action not only shows us the power of technology, but also the teamwork and planning needed to build modern infrastructure. The Hitachi EX870 Excavator is designed for big projects like mining and road construction. With its large bucket, strong hydraulics, and powerful engine, it can move huge amounts of soil in a short time. On this site, you can see how quickly it fills each dumper with just a few passes, saving time and fuel. The dump trucks carry the soil to different parts of the site, where it will be spread and compacted to make the road bed solid and safe for future traffic. This process is repeated again and again in a smooth cycle. The excavator digs, swings, and loads, while the dump trucks arrive empty and leave fully loaded. It is an amazing display of coordination and efficiency. Every movement of the machine shows the skill of the operator, who must control such a powerful excavator with precision. Without machines like the Hitachi EX870, projects of this size would take many years to complete. But with modern technology, heavy work becomes faster, safer, and more effective. Beyond the technical side, this work also has a deeper meaning. Every scoop of soil and every truckload brings us one step closer to a road that will help people travel easily. Farmers deliver their goods, and children reach their schools. This is the power of engineering combined with human effort, building a future for generations to come. As we finish watching, the Hitachi 870 excavator has shown its strength and importance in modern construction. From digging deep earth to loading heavy dumpers, it proves why machines like this are trusted all around the world. Road construction is not just about machines and soil. It is about creating connections, supporting communities, and opening doors for progress. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, and comment to tell us your thoughts. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more amazing heavy equipment action. Stay connected, because the journey of building our world never stops.